How to check how long your voice chat has been suspended on Roblox. So if you want to see how long your voice chat has been suspended on Roblox, then what you can do is you just first need to open up your browser or any browser. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. And then what you need to do is simply search for voice.roblox.com and then slash v1 slash settings. You just need to come to this page, and once you're here on this page, you will have this kind of interface, right? So you will have this band false or something false, true, and all that, right? So here you may have a number which might have seconds in front of that number. So here my voice chat has not been suspended or has not been banned. But if your voice chat has been suspended, then you will have a number right here on the second line on the left side of your screen, and in front of that numbers you will have seconds. So what you need to do is simply you need to copy that number, and once you've copied that number, you need to simply go for the next page, which is this. You need to simply search for unixtimestamp.com. And once you're here on this page, now you need to simply copy that number from this page, and then you need to paste that number here. And once you've pasted, you need to simply tap on convert. And once you click on that convert button, it will convert that number, and you will have all of the information on how long you have been suspended on your voice chat on Roblox. So that's how you can know how long you have been suspended on your voice chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.